Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to find drafts on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your device. As you can see, we are at the home page. Now I'm going to try and share an Instagram post for demonstrational purposes. So when you try to share a post and when you are on this final page, if you tap on the back button right here twice, you should get a pop-up asking you if you want to save a post as a draft. But for some reason, we're not getting the pop-up and the drafts option used to appear here at the bottom. But as you can see, it's no longer here. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to save posts as drafts and how to find the draft section on Instagram. You want to go back and go to your Instagram profile by clicking here. The next step is to tap on this plus button at the top right corner of the screen. A little menu with options will pop up. Click on the post option here. I'm going to select a photo to share as a post, and I'm going to add one effect and go to the final page. After this, when I tap on the back button twice, I will get a pop-up where it will ask me if I want to save this post as a draft, so I did save it as a draft. Now, if I want to find my draft section, all I have to do is to go back to my profile, tap on the plus, then post. Now you can see the draft section right here. You can now select your drafts and share them on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.